reach back a bit, and then we're going to go as high as we can, as quick as we can, and across. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Hello everybody, I'm Mark. Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to close a swimming pool for the winter. How to winterise your swimming pool. I've had a swimming pool now for 13 years. This is my 14th winter that I'm going to be closing the pool, and I'm just going along with the advice I was given by the previous owner. Here in France, winters aren't too severe. Majority of the winter it sort of stays around the zero, from +5 to -5. However, we do get a few weeks where we may go down to -12, and one year in the last 14 years it's gone down to -15. So it can be quite severe, but I've not had any problems with the way I close the swimming pool for winter. Okay, first thing to do when closing a swimming pool for winter is to make sure everything is clean. So we take out all the debris in the swimming pool, make sure there's no algae. You clean the filters, that's the skimmers, the filter in the pump, and backwash the sand filter. Everything's running clean. I then add a shock treatment of chlorine to the swimming pool, and that's it. I don't go for winterising chemicals that are pushed on you from the swimming pool centres. I just give it a shock treatment of chlorine. And then all you do then is just put the cover on, and that's it, job done. The only other thing I do is I turn the pump to timer to save electricity, and I basically run my pump just for 2 hours a day, sort of early hours of the morning, to make use of that early and cheap electricity. And the only other thing I do is to drain the water out of the heater. Literally just unplug the pipes, take the water out, plug it in, job done. As I said, this will be my 14th time that I've closed the swimming pool for winter, and I've not had a problem. It's very easy to do, anyone can do it. Guys, when closing a swimming pool for winter, it's imperative to make sure that the water is below 10 degrees before you close the swimming pool. I've got a thermometer in here, and it's currently 6 degrees. It's now the 5th of December. We're actually about a month later on closing our swimming pool, because October and November has been so mild that the swimming pool's still been above 10 degrees. It's only now, after the last week of frost, that the temperature's down, so we can now close the swimming pool. The pool's been manually cleaned. All the leaves have been hoiked out of the swimming pool, so the swimming pool's now ready to be closed for the winter. Guys, when closing the swimming pool for winter, you have to do a full clean. One of the things we need to do is clean the skimmer filters. We haven't touched the pool for a few weeks, so they're full up with the autumn leaves. So need to start again and clean all that up. Oh, that's cold. Okay, so a new skimmer filter net goes in, and I don't use a winter prep, guys. I just put a shock dose of chlorine tablets into the pool. Right, so you've got the corner in one arm, and reach back a bit, and then we're going to go as high as we can, as quick as we can, and across. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to close a swimming pool, how to winterize your swimming pool. If you did, please give it a like, and if you love it, please subscribe to our channel because we've got loads of new videos coming out all the time. Stick around to the end because there's a quick preview of NAOMI'S Filipino recipes, all presented in English for you to enjoy at home. Thanks for watching, see you again soon.